Dear student, welcome back to our NIEVS home school. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your English literature class for the student of class 1. So student, today we will discuss word meaning and synonym antonym from unit 6 and our new poem. We will start our new poem, Weather Ways. So student, let's get started our class. Student, today at first we will learn the weather ways, our new poem. The title of this poem's name is Weather Ways. So let's start. Weather ways. Whatever the weather, we have it each day. It's hot or it's cold or it's sunny or grey. It's blowy or snowy or rainy or clear. There's some kind of weather each day of the year. Student, before writing this poem, you have to follow some rules. You have to write the title of this poem. The first letter of each word will be capital. That means weather. W will be capital letter and OS W will be capital letters. And you have to follow. You have to write the poem the way it is written in your book. That means you have to put correct punctuation mark. Okay, where it is necessary. Whatever the weather, we have it each day. It's hot or it's cold or it's sunny or grey. It's blowy or snowy or rainy or clear. There's some kind of weather each day of the year. Now we will read word meaning and synonym antonym from Unit 6. In previous class we have already discussed in your class Unit 6. The chapter's name is Summer. So today we will do some word meaning and synonym antonym from this chapter. First one is brightly. Brightly meaning, what is the meaning of brightly? That means full of light. And 2, indoors, inside the house. Number 3, ripe. That means ready to eat. Student, you have to follow some rules. Whenever you write word meaning, you have to write it with a small letter and no need to write, no need to put the full stop after this word. Okay, so brightly, that means full of light, and 2, indoors, inside the house. Number 3, ripe, ready to eat. Now synonym and antonym. You know synonym meaning, that means the similar words, and antonym is the opposite words. Here are given some words. You have to learn these words. First one is cool. Cool. What is the synonym of cool? Cold. And antonym? Hot. What is the antonym of cool? Hot. Ripe, mature, and antonym green. Brightly, deeply, and antonym dully. So I am going to take this again. Okay, cool, that means synonym cold, antonym hot. Ripe, mature, and antonym green. Brightly, deeply, and antonym dully. So student, that's all for today. Our today's homework will be poem Weather Ways and word meaning and synonym from Unit 6. Student, dear student, before going to write this topic, you have to learn it at home and do your homework and submit it after Eid vacation. See you next class. Allah Hafiz.